In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Etoro platform for beginners, focusing on stock market copy trading. Whether you're new to trading or just exploring Etoro for the first time, this guide will help you get started in no time. First, open your browser and navigate to Etoro's official website, which brings you to a comprehensive investment app that supports stocks, cryptocurrencies, and ETFs. Once you're there, the next step is to click on the Login button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to sign up by following their straightforward registration process. But today, we are focusing on existing users. After logging in, you'll be directed to the Etoro homepage. This is where you'll find all the necessary tools and information about different markets, assets, and the trending stocks or cryptocurrencies you might be interested in. Spend some time getting familiar with the layout, because getting comfortable with the interface will make navigation simpler in the long run. Now that you're logged in, it's vital to verify your account. Verification is a standard process to ensure security and meet regulatory requirements. Typically, this will involve submitting personal identification, like a driver's license or passport, and may include a proof of address. Verification can sometimes take a while, so it's best to complete this step early on, allowing you time to explore other features in the meantime. Next, let's talk about funding your account. Click on Deposit Funds to start this process. Here, you can choose your preferred method of payment, whether it's via bank transfer, credit card, or another supported payment option. Remember, the amount you deposit is entirely up to you, so make sure it aligns with your trading plan and risk tolerance. Always keep in mind that trading involves risks, and it's crucial to invest what you can afford to lose. With your account set up and funded, you're ready to dive into trading. Etoro offers a unique feature called copy trading, allowing you to automatically mirror the trades of experienced investors. This feature can be a great way to learn and even potentially profit while gaining insight into professional trading strategies. To start copy trading, browse through the list of top-performing investors, analyze their strategies, and choose one that aligns with your investment goals. In conclusion, Etoro offers a user-friendly platform for beginners wishing to jump into the world of trading with a structured approach and innovative tools like copy trading. Verifying your account and funding it are critical steps, fundamental to launching your investment journey. I hope this guide has made the process a bit clearer and more accessible for you. Don't forget to explore all the wonderful features Etoro offers. And, as always, practice diligent risk management. Thanks for watching.